how to work harder slash get more things done at school in a day. So I have my notes over here, so don't mind if I keep looking over here a bit. So it's 90% mental, right? Because if you're sitting in class, or like if you have online classes or whatever, it's never like a body thing. It's never a body problem. It's all in your mind. So it all starts in the morning. You need to get all your important hard tasks done in the morning. And like I understand, because I have pre-cal right at the end of the day, so it's not always applicable in this sense, but you need to in the morning make sure that you are not watching like a bunch of short form content. Like if you watch TikTok or something, which you obviously shouldn't, or like Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts and stuff like that, because it's like picture it as if like your mind is your bedroom, and every single short that you watch is like another shirt on the ground or like a piece of clothing on the ground. So when you watch a whole bunch of shorts and shit in the morning like that, you're just cluttering up your mind when you've woken up and it's completely clutter free. So you need to not do that. Just stay off your phone for as much as you can in the morning. And don't eat a huge breakfast. Try and stay like relatively not hungry, but you want to say not hungry, but like not overly full that your stomach is bulging. And especially don't eat carbs and sugars. So if you're eating like cereal for breakfast or like oatmeal or some shit like that, just stick to like all what I have for breakfast. For example, is 4 eggs with some coffee, and that's usually it. Maybe some fruit with that, but just a small amount of fruit. You don't want to fill up on that. And then definitely drink a coffee. Don't drink some energy drinks or anything like that. You want the caffeine because it's gonna make your brain like super sharp. It's gonna make you like be able to just think faster, and like process things better when you see them. So definitely drink a coffee as like drink it as black as you can. You know what I mean? Don't like add a bunch of sugar and syrup and milk and stuff. Like I add like half a tablespoon of milk. It's like negligible, right? Like you just dump a little bit in to make it like taste a little bit better, cool it down just a touch, and then like sometimes I'll just have it straight black, and you could put cinnamon in there. That really helps make it taste a lot better. And cinnamon helps with brown fat thermogenesis, so that's a whole nother thing though. So yeah, and it's totally understandable. Like when you're in school, you don't really want to be there. It's like, oh, what the heck's the point of this? Like, oh, I don't want to be here. But when you have a sharp brain and you can actually think throughout the day, you can just get all your work done like way faster, and then you have time to spend on other things. Like you can just read in class, or you can just talk to your friends or whatever. And this is what I do in my applied class. I have second period. I can just rip through all the notes or all the assignment in like the first 15 minutes, and then I spend the next hour and a half that we have in that class just reading or talking to my friends. Or I'm like, yo, I asked the teacher, can I just leave? I got other stuff on my online classes. Can I just go do that? And she usually says yes. And then with this improved work ability, I'm able to like work ahead in my courses, so I get a lot further, as well as I have other like responsibilities, like I edit videos and stuff for people. So I kind of need it, but I get a lot done earlier in the day, so I don't have to do it in the afternoon, because once you've kind of done all this work throughout the morning, your brain kind of gets like sapped for energy. So like this is like the brain points concept, is like you kind of spend them all up early in the day on the most high leverage tasks that you can have. For example, like I'm taking physics and biology online, so I'll choose each one day. Okay, do I want to do a full assignment in biology or physics? And then I'll go through and do a full thing, which is usually, it depends on the day, but sometimes it's pretty difficult, sometimes it's not so difficult. But once you get that one assignment done for the day, usually only have to do 3 a week. So if you get one done Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you're done that whole course for that week. You know what I mean? So if you can just clear your brain up using these tips, like no sugar, no short form content, and drinking coffee, um, you'll just get everything done faster, smoother, better grades. Another tip, bonus, since you made it this far into the video, don't be switching tasks when you're working. So, like, for example, if I'm doing a physics assignment, don't pick up your phone to check a text. Don't pick up your phone to check an email. Don't switch tabs and like have all this shit open and like talk to people over here and oh, there's somebody asking a question over here. Just earphones in, some classical music. That's how I like to do it. Or go to like a really quiet room and just bang it out, no distractions at all. Because when you get distracted, your brain's just pulled in all these different directions. You can't actually focus on what you're trying to do because when you talk to somebody and you have a conversation, your brain has to like switch. And then when you look at your physics and you're trying to like learn the fucking physics of Jupiter going around a fucking, different planet and some shit, it's like your brain's too spread thin. It has to focus on one thing or the other. Like I said in a previous video, multitasking is not real. You just do each task half as efficiently. So, yeah, hope that helped. Have a good day.